Blake with Vegas Auto Gallery. We're building out our new service center. It's going to be state of the art. Let's take a look at it. We're building out the lifts, we're getting furniture installed, we're cleaning up the lobby area. It's going to be a pretty unique thing for Vegas, and we'll be able to service any car, anything luxury, anything exotic, or even if you have a normal car. It'll be perfect for you to bring it by, and we'll take care of it. Let's take a look. Excuse our mess, but we're building out a really cool service center. We're gonna have 8 lifts total. We're getting them installed right now. We got the good stuff, been packed, and we're gonna be up and running soon, so we're really excited. I know Casey and Jesse are going to be super excited for their new home. It's going to be a great place for them. It's properly outfitted. We're centrally located just off the strip, making it convenient for everyone. We got a fresh paint job. The air lines are installed. The lifts are getting installed. We're going to be up and ready for business very soon, and there's going to be nothing like it. So, hope to see you soon.